How to request admin access to Facebook business page. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can request admin access to Facebook business page. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First of all, you need to open up your Meta Business Suite account. Just go to business.facebook.com. After that, log in into the page that you want to request access from. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So here, just click on your profile. After that, here, just go to settings. After going to the settings, just wait for a bit, and here you should be able to see a bunch of options, but I just want you to navigate to the business assets groups. After that, simply click on it, and when you click on it, it takes some time for it to load. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see, just click on it and you just click on add and go further with the process. So what you're going to do is confirm. After that, you need to enter a business group name for your asset group name. Just click in anything. I'm just gonna click random for now, and here you should be able to see this new pages option. So here what you're gonna do is simply click on this page. Other than that, you'll be able to find a bunch of options as well. Just click on this new pages option and select next. After that, you just need to select an account here. You'll be able to see this assets permission. So if you want to request the permission, you'll be able to see this option here, and here you need to select an admin for now. So here you may just select admin. If you have more than one admin, you should be able to see admin at the left side. I'm just gonna click, since I have only one profile right now, I'm just gonna click this person as an admin right now, as this profile as my admin right now. After that, simply go here, and here you will be able to see full control option. Just enable this option and just go tap on next. Just scroll down a bit, and you'll be able to see this create option. Just simply hit that create, and you should be able to request access as an admin and the Facebook page. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.